Yo, what is up, guys? Back to the video. Sorry if you can't really see me, but if you have an iPhone and you saw your ringtones on it, so you know the one opening, right? I got it on my Samsung phone because I downloaded it on an app, and yeah, as you can see on the top right, it shows it like right there, and it goes like this. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys for this video.